What's up, everybody? You miss me? I know. I've been gone for a while. I had to take care of some stuff, but I'm back now. Consistent Christian. I know I said it last time. Consistent Christian is back. But today we're just gonna go on another hike. This is a place that actually wasn't too far from the crib. So yeah, we about to do this hike. It said, from when I looked at it, it said that there was some good water features here, like waterfalls and stuff like that. So hopefully we get to see some of that. And y'all tell me, so like people up here in Utah, man, they be saying it's hot, and right now it's what is it? Let's see what it is. It is 90 degrees right now, right? They talking about it's a heat advisory in this area, right? Which I don't really get because it's 90, but it ain't like too hot. Now let's see what Houston is. Hold up, come on, bro. There you go. So Houston right now, it's 100. So it's 100 degrees in Houston with humidity. So it's just like, when people up here say it's hot, I'm just like, bro, yeah, it's hot, but it's not hot. It's not hot as hell. It's not hot as Satan's toenails. It's hot in the south, bro. It's not hot up here. It's like warm compared to the heat down there. And people be complaining. I'm like, bro, this is alright, bro. I'm out here in a long sleeve, bro. Well, that's one because I ain't trying to get bit up out here, but yeah, it ain't hot, bro. Stop it. Oh, cut this off. Yeah, we about to get this hike cracking. Got my water, got my Gatorade, got my camera stuff. Oh man, I gotta put these boots on. Hold on, real quick. I'll put these boots on. Hold on. What's up, everybody? I'm back. I'm already hearing water already, and we'll figure it out. But I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, you can see it. This is where I'm at right here. Parish Creek Hiking Trail, and I think it's Bonneville or Boneville Shoreline Trail. That's a trail that goes for miles though. So I've been closer to Salt Lake, and that sign for Bonneville was down there. And y'all can't see me for nothing. Oh well. Yeah, man, how y'all been living, man? What was that? Man, I'm tweaking. Over here hearing stuff. Thought I heard something growling at me. This is gonna be a short vlog. A real short vlog. I was gonna get the hell on. People not picking up after their dogs and stuff. Yeah, man. Man, how's life been treating y'all? Life's been good for me. I can't complain. I swear I hear that water somewhere. Huh. Should we cut through here? Should I do that? Trying to think. Cause I hear something. I'm going that way. Man. And y'all can't see me. This lighting is awful. Oh well. Trying to do better at keeping my face in the camera. So I realized that, and I've been told that, like, I'll be recording just talking. I'll be like this. Or like this. Or like this. Or like this. Looking crazy as hell. Alright. Hold on. I know I heard some water. All right now, little critters. All right now. I wonder if you can actually see it. It looks like it's real growing up over there. Might not be able to even see it. But that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna see what's down here. God damn. All right. Here we go. Oh, see? Uh-oh. Should've wore pants. Ah. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. It's running hard, but it's so covered up. Can't see nothing. Man, that sucks. Like, I know y'all can hear that. It's just so covered up. Look at them big behind thorns right there. It's nice though. Yeah, it's a nice little vibe though. Smells good too. Whatever that plant is, smells good. Alright. Wow. There we go. Whew. It's like, I don't even know what that plant is. Oh man. It's nice though. It's warm outside. Got a nice breeze cooking. But it's something that keep moving every time I walk past it. I ain't gonna figure out what it is though. Nope. Not me. I explore, but not that much. These are thorns. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. But that tree that was down there, or that bush, whatever it was called down there, it was at least an inch long. It was big. Oh man. I wish I knew more about plants so I could tell y'all what the stuff is. Look at this. Look at this, see? It's the only downside I hate about hiking in the mountains, boy. Look at that. Now you all the way up there. Incline, baby. Straight incline. Getting that work in though. You feel me? Wish y'all could see me, bro. It's clear. It's crazy. Oh well. It's crazy though, man. I bet there's people that just run up this shit. Woo, break time. Cab's on fire. Oh, let's see. I don't even know what you would call that out there. I don't know if you can see like the water right there. Like straight. I don't know if that's part of the salt flats. That's natural freshwater. I don't know. I know way out there is salt flats. But I don't know what this is close to us, what that is. Might do some research on that. Get back to y'all about that. But you know what's crazy? Boy, that got me. I don't know why I thought this was a snake poking his head up. This right here. I thought that was a cobra or something like that. I thought it was over with. But it's crazy because I finally got I don't know if y'all remember from a few videos back. I finally got a fishing rod and all that stuff. I did the fishing video, but hold up. We got action. Can y'all see it? I don't know if y'all can even see it. Little lizard. But finally did a fishing video. All that. I ain't catching a thing. But that wasn't really like, I don't fish to, I mean I fish to catch of course, but like, I don't really be tripping if I don't. It's just like, I didn't feel comfortable dropping the video when I wasn't like, I feel like it was all over the place. There wasn't really a whole plan to it. So I scrapped it. But after that, I got busy with other things. I didn't be more consistent. Whew. Took a sit. Whew. Oh, forgot, I had to work on that. But yeah, I'm back now though. Woo! I need to get some water in me. Let me prop y'all up. I don't know if y'all can see me for real, but oh well. Y'all can hear me though. I just need to get some water in me. Man, I thought by now my lungs be used to the altitude. Man, only walk. I'd say it's probably about, probably a couple hundred feet up. I'm over here out of wind, out of breath. I can see the amusement park away from over here. That hike we did with the other water features, it's just down the way. I'm gonna go left because that's where I heard the water at. Some buses left right here. Oh man. Put this on the side so I can get easy access to it. Feel me? Oh. Let's go. On the road again. I can't wait to get back on the road again. In the future, I'm going to take a road trip to one of these national parks. There's a lot of national parks around here. But what sucks is they're outside of the valley. From my best knowledge, outside the valley. So I would have to, I think is it Zion? I think it's Zion, yeah. Zion National Park is in South Utah, I think Nevada area, I think. Don't quote me on that. But I had to leave out of here and go through the mountains again to leave the valley. Yeah, that water is going crazy. I wonder if y'all can hear that. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that water going crazy. I'm trying to lock this in. There we go. Trying to see if I can get down there. But man, this is nice. See, I be hearing stuff moving the rocks and shit. It's these little lizards. Woo! Boy, you take a tumble down there, it's over with. It's over with. Oh yeah, you ain't making that back. Look how steep this is. Boy. So I'm looking straight out over here. That's down. Oh yeah. You do that, you through. Yeah. Keep y'all like this so y'all can see what I'm seeing. Straight beauty. Wow! Well, I almost took a tumble. It's crazy. My mama just told me to be safe. Now look at me. Boy. I wish I had got out here right at spring, because then it wouldn't just be straight green. Cause we basically into the summer. Like it's technically spring, but we basically into the summer. Yeah, I can see it down there. I don't know if y'all can see. I can see the water flowing down there. It's cool though. Little canopy right here. Okay, we got a little bridge coming up. So it's probably gonna be right over the water. But it's so overgrown, can't really see nothing. And I probably gotta yell for y'all to hear me. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, this is nice. That water probably so cold too. That's cool. Yeah, it's so overgrown on this side. Back there it looked like it's kind of cleared up a little bit. But it's so overgrown. Hold on, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this for a second. Man, yeah. The beauty of it all is crazy. Oh, there you go. Okay. Hold on. Let me get y'all this view real quick. Hold on one second. I had to, the reason I'm doing the outro like this is because I tried downloading the clip off my camera, and for some reason that one clip isn't working right. So I just had to just trash and just do the outro like this while I'm editing the video right now. So basically, the reason why, what I was saying in the outro was the reason why I had to end the video right there is because on that trail, like there was a rock slide or something happened where I was like, I don't want to risk going down that steep hill because past where that waterfall was, the trail got kind of narrow and then it got steep on one side. And I was like, I don't want to risk stepping on that stuff and it falling and I'm falling with it. So I was like, it ain't worth it. So I just turned around and went back to do my outro. But outro was nothing. It was just thanking y'all for watching the video because I really do appreciate it, man. I enjoy making these videos, so it means a lot when people watch it, they like it, and it just gives me that drive to keep going, you know, keep going with this. Even though shoot, I could probably get 2 likes on the video, I'll still keep going because I just enjoy doing it. But with all that being said, I know I be chatting sometimes, but just if you like the video, like it, comment, and if you like the video enough to subscribe, I would appreciate it if you subscribe. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Man, I keep hearing coyotes, something howling.